araw, iisipin mo, niloko lang ata ako nito eh. But you know, that is his style.
Well, tell me about it. I've watched him too many times victimize Ateneo in the UAP. That's why I know so well that, boy, Cardona can really play. Samantala, bola ngayon nasa phone pals. Carry to Alapag. No look pass. Cardona from the corner. Not that time. Here's Roger Yap stepping on the gas. And he is fouled by Alapag.
Smart foul by Jimmy Alapag. It was gonna be a 1-on-3, rather a 3-on-1 situation. Humahabol lang si Macmac Cardona, but gives up the right foul. Smart play. Expect that from your top guard.
Well, Beer Foods, they're trying to improve their record here in Antipolo. Only 4-9 dito sa Inares, which is ironic because itong si Coach Ryan Gregorio lives very near. Taga dito yan sa Antipolo. I've been to his house. Very nice house.
I'm sure the Beer Foods team happy that Coach Ryan didn't build his house beside the Araneta.
Kung hindi, dahil karamihan ng laro nandun eh.
Sa Araneta.
Absolutely. 3 minutes remaining dito sa second quarter. Lamang pa rin ang phone pals. Bola na kay Alapag. Here's Cardona. Cardona on the move. And Carey will miss the layup. Here's Richard Yee. Nowhere to go. Hitting a brick wall. And there's an interception by Roger Yap. Roger Yap, sidestep beauty off the glass.
You have to be here to appreciate that shot of Roger Yap. Umupo sa ere, hinintay hanggang nasa tamang angulo siya for that bank shot. That's his favorite shot para kay Roger Yap.
Nevertheless, 10 puntos pa rin ang lamang ng Talk 'N Text 40-30.